Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 4-hour, because you're new to charts, instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a couple of months worth of time. It's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video, let's just say Sunday afternoon, then yeah, the chart's going to look different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So for those of you that did watch the video on Thursday, talked about how the price got the nice trend line break here. So really going into Friday and beyond, the big question was, all right, well, was this the start of something bigger? Was the price going to be able to maintain that? And not only did the price maintain it, bulls actually got that much more separation to the upside. So definitely a nice stretch of a time here since the trend line break. But at this point, the trend line has served its role. So I'm just going to go ahead and do some house cleaning and get that line out of there. And the very important level now going forward over the weekend is going to be right here at 5,900. So that is really going to be the first and key question that you ask yourself. So again, we'll use Sunday afternoon as an example. So let's say you're watching this video Sunday afternoon. Question number one becomes, where's the price at relative to 5,900? As long as you're answering the question that the price is above 5,900, then overall, it's still a good, solid, healthy consolidation. What do I mean? Well, let's say that the price is actually down here right at 5,900 when you're watching the video and sitting somewhere right around there. Sure, the price is pulled back, but still from the big picture, what would that still imply? That would still imply that there's a set of lows there, that there's lows there, that there's lows there, that there's lows there. And if you envision those as stair-steps, then these are still very, very nice stair-steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game from the bullish side of things. You just want to see the price continuing to make progress forward, and that 5,900 mark is a good, kind of measuring stick of that progress or lack thereof that's being made over the weekend. So that's really the primary level to watch. If you are answering the question that, well, Clay, the price is actually down below 5,900, the next immediate question you want to ask yourself is about that purple line there and assign a numerical value. That would be right around 5,500. If you're answering the question that the price is also down below 5,500, that would definitely be a severe issue, because that would imply that not only has the price pulled back and then broken through that area of support and then broken through another one, that would be putting the price essentially right back inside of that range of the chart. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power. And then as far as levels of resistance are concerned, yeah, you have the overall 200 period moving average up there, which on my chart denoted by the pink line. But really the key dynamic that I'm very curious about all weekend long is, can the price stay above 5,900? Is this truly a strong breakout? Is this the beginning of something bigger? Can the price start to show some signs of progress by building higher lows? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.